Hi, I'm Alexander Wood. In this photo I'm sleeping, but actually I'm busy man. Now I want to tell you a short story about my capstone project. I needed to write capstone project at very short notice. And what have I done? My friend gave me a great idea. He tipped me a website, which he used for assistance with writing papers since study in high school. I won't waste your time talking about benefits of this writing service. I'll just leave a link in the description under this video and fantastic bonus. To get it you just need to watch this video to the end. Actually, I cannot refrain from telling you about some facts which prove the quality of service. 660 clients returned. 2% of clients used revisions. $39 saved on average. 656 clients brought friends. This is website paperhelp.space. Link on it is in the description under this video, just like I promised. Now I will teach you how to use it. It's very simple. Choose the type of paper we need. In this option we are interested in capstone project. Choose academic level. For me it is university. Deadline, 20 days. And amount of pages. In my case I needed to write 25 pages capstone project. This is what we get. Stop. Don't be afraid of the price. I'll tell you how to reduce it several times on the next step. Click on Proceed to order. Voila! Check whether we have specified everything correctly. Fill in paper details. And remember that you can always consult with the support service that is online 24/7. After clicking the button Checkout, you will be taken on this page, where you indicate your correct email address and optionally choose some options to further your work in the Helpful Extras menu. It could be: receive an official plagiarism report, add an abstract page, enjoy our VIP service and extra attention, assign an advanced writer to your order, get one of our top 10 writers in your subject. If you don't understand something or you are in something down, think about this support. They will always come to your rescue. Choose payment method, credit card or PayPal. And the most important thing, do you remember, I promised you to reduce the price several times? It's the most exciting. Now you'll see how to do this. Did you notice to the text enter a discount code, optional, that is under the choice of payment options? It's awesome. Enter in this text box a promo code YouTube10 and you got it. We are getting discount 10%. I'm sure it will please you. By the way, promo code YouTube10 is only for you, my viewers. Everything is fine, but the work remained unpaid. Click on the button Proceed to secure payment in paying for your capstone project. Then you'll receive the letter and find out what to do next thanks to the reliable support of the service paperhelp.space. It's easy and qualitatively. Enjoy it and don't worry about your papers. Everything will be on the high level. Link on it is in the description under this video.